In this video, I will show you how to edit Instagram Reels faster in CapCut. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. First, you need to import your clips to CapCut. Once you have added your clips to CapCut, you can then select each video and trim it to your desired length by tapping on the white bars on either end of the video and pulling it in or outward. Once you have trimmed your clips, you can then add auto captions. So if your video has speaking in it, simply select text at the bottom and then tap auto captions. You can then choose the spoken language and then choose from a number of different templates. Once you choose the template that you like, simply select generate. And then CapCut will automatically generate captions for you. Once you have added captions to your video, you can then add transitions. So between each clip, you will see a small square. Simply tap on it and then you can choose what type of transition you would like to add. So if you tap the search bar, you will see trending searches. So I would like to add a shake effect. So I will tap shake and then I have options that I can choose from. Once you find the option that you like, simply select it and then we can play our video and look at our transition. You can also add music to your video by going to the bottom row, selecting audio, sounds or sound effects, and then choose your desired song. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.